is your boy Jermaine
Sign.
in Hamilton, and we're gonna prank our friend today, and we're gonna call him Daddy for the day, né? Guys. Or we're gonna prank our friend today, né? We're gonna call him Daddy every day and every second. And stay tuned on get guys. What's up, guys? Your boy Jermaine
Resign. Resign.
Hamilton, and today we're gonna play. Guess the first word. Hell yeah! This is our friend. Stand up, Vicky, bro. Stand up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Today we're gonna guess the animal on the first word. Né? Also from South Africa, guys. So we're gonna speak English for you guys. Yeah, boys. Okay, Daddy.
Check.
Guys, is in the game now, boys.
Daddy.
Daddy, what you want, baby?
I want the gun again.
Guys, we from South Africa. First animal.
Tindak kilo na.
Okay. Daddy, don't do that, Daddy.
Kaya ayaw na.
Daddy,
Don't do that.
you win, Daddy. Daddy.
As man kom ik weer aan kans van hem. Ons gaan wel games spelen. Nou die een wat hier zo, die ding wat karaai met die letter wat ik zeg. Win. Maar als het karaai dan krijg je nagel. Wow. So, name a brand. What the letter I.
Okay, Daddy. What's a brand?
A brand aan precies Nike, Puma, Gucci.
Okay, I know. A brand, né?
With the letter I. Ik wil samen.
I don't know.
Zien jullie dom als dat? Oh, hell no.
Okay, Daddy. Adidas. Okay, my turn. No, can you? Okay, maybe Afrikaans part. Guys, I'm gonna talk Afrikaans today. Okay, baby, Daddy. Okay, Daddy, don't do that, Daddy.
Ja, nou gaan de mensen bij zo'n guides zullen.
Guys,
Kan maar eens vragen.
zijn we nog iets vragen? Zijn we nog ooit vragen, Daddy?
Ja, we zien de iPhone zijn vragen. Zei dat de iPhone zijn? Nee. Asa Samsung.
Okay, Daddy.
Awai daar gaan we naar Daddy neer aan Tomoer, Daddy.
Daddy, please, Daddy.
Daddy, please, Daddy.
Guys, that's my Samsung case. That's my Samsung case. No, Daddy.
Ayun, masok.
See, my daddy hitting me. My daddy.
Awai, zijn we Daddy gaat checken hoe paas hoe hoor zijn.
Okay, Daddy. Don't do that, Daddy. Guys, I'm gonna cut the video now. Stay tuned on game. Guys, this is every vlog. Stay tuned. It will post Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, and don't forget the like button, subscribe, post notification, and I don't have subscribers or anything. Stay tuned on gang.